Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of our 2021 VW T-Roc SEL. This car comes with a 1.5 petrol engine and the automatic gearbox, which is ULEZ compliant, producing 148 brake horsepower and returning up to 42 miles to the gallon. The insurance group is 19 and this is a one owner vehicle, having covered just over 17,000 miles and comes with full service history from Volkswagen. As you can see, the white paintwork looks in great condition for the age and mileage of the car. And having a look inside, you've also got the nice clean interior and the white edging around the seats, which certainly brightens everything up. There's an armrest and two cup holders there in the centre for the front passengers. And then onto the dashboard, you have your multimedia screen in the centre for your Apple CarPlay, satellite navigation, DAB radio and Bluetooth. A few other features I can mention. The car also has climate control, active cruise control on the left-hand side of the steering wheel, so the car will brake accordingly with the car in front. The digital display there, automatic headlights and wipers, and then on the driver's door card, your electric folding mirror and full window controls. Being a small SUV, the T-Roc has a good amount of legroom and headroom there in the back, so ideal for getting children in and out of car seats, for example. The rear bench has 3 individual seat belts, and rear passengers also have 2 charging ports there in the middle. And it's always good to see the car's got the original carpet floor mats from VW too. Opening the tailgate reveals a nice deep boot there with the rear seats that can be folded flat and the parcel shelf that's still in place. You also have the adjustable floor, that's at its lowest point at the moment, but you can increase it if you wish for easy loading. And below that you've got some extra storage as well as your tyre inflator kit. Externally, the car comes with LED headlights, front and rear parking sensors, and the 18-inch alloy wheels. And the car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind. And you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and we can help you finance the car with no deposit up to 5 years. So, if you'd like to organise a test drive, then please do give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.